In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font size in Google Chrome. Whether you're looking to make the text on your favorite websites larger or smaller for easier reading, or simply want to customize your browsing experience to better suit your preferences, adjusting the font size in Chrome is a straightforward process. Let's dive in and walk through the steps together. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner, you'll notice a three-dot menu icon. It's easy to spot as it sits there at the top, conveniently waiting for you. Click on that icon to get started. Once you've clicked the menu, a drop-down will appear with several options. Among them, you'll see Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. This will open a new tab specifically for configuring your Google Chrome preferences. It's a useful area where you can adjust various settings according to your needs. In this new tab, direct your attention to the left side. You'll see a sidebar with different categories. Look for the one labeled Appearance. Clicking on Appearance will take you to the section where you can manage the look and feel of your browser. Now, in the Appearance section, scroll down until you find the option labeled Font Size. Here's where you can begin tweaking the text size across web pages. Click on this drop-down menu to reveal different sizing options. You'll find a range from very small to very large. Choose the size that fits your needs best. Remember, it can always be adjusted again later if needed. If changing the font size using the drop-down doesn't give you the exact result you're looking for, there's a more detailed setting you can explore. Below the font size option, you'll find another option called Customize Fonts. Click on this, and it will open up even more possibilities. In Customize Fonts, you have the flexibility to manually adjust the exact size of the fonts in a more granular manner. You'll see a slider that you can drag to increase or decrease the font size to your liking. This allows for fine-tuning, making it easier to achieve exactly the right level of visibility for your screen. By following these steps, you'll be able to tailor your browsing experience in Google Chrome to be as comfortable and efficient as possible. Adjusting the font size is one of many ways to make your interaction with web content more enjoyable and personalized. Feel free to revisit these settings anytime you need to make further adjustments as your preferences or needs change. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to change the font size in Google Chrome. If this guide was helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out more of our videos to make the most of your tech tools. Thanks for watching.